Yeah.
You wanted to ride rides at the fair the other day. We were like, wow. You're not getting on any of those rickety rides.
That's pretty cool. Do you like to get dizzy?
No.
No?
You just spin around like this.
It's Darlene's. Hi.
Does it play music?
Hi. You gonna smile?
That's no preschool song I ever learned.
We started something with that.
Yeah.
Make it go!
His handle just wasn't quite so
Amazing
long.
how they figure stuff out. They're just so smart.
Like the song.
I know that one.
Uh-oh.
Are you dizzy now? Huh?
How about like this?
Ouch.
Hey, Mom, look at me.
Ouch.
Moink.
I can't see you. What are you doing?
Mom, watch this.
Ouch.
Spinning.
That's pretty cool, Dan.
Except instead of holding the handle, he's holding the floor and spinning around the floor.
One way.
Whatever works.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Ah!